big series between Myrtle Beach and their Southern Division rivals, the Carolina Mudcats, back in town. Let's take a look at today's highlights. Andrew Thurman on the mound, 1-1 game in the fourth. That, my friends, is the definition of a hanging curveball. Yasiel Ballagert up and out, and the Birds have the lead. 2-1, Ballagert not done. Neither was Myrtle Beach. Donnie DeWeese, the next batter. He goes up and out, back-to-back, deep to right field. DeWeese's first high A home run, and the Pelicans go back-to-back for the third time this season. Myrtle Beach still not done with the long ball in the game. Next inning, Ballagert at the dish. This one is a laser over the wall. His first career multi-homer game, and Myrtle Beach takes a big lead with 2 in the fourth, fifth, and sixth. 7-1, but Carolina coming back. 7-5 in the eighth. Line drive to left center field for Keith Curcio. DeWeese can't get there. It rolls all the way towards the wall. 2 runs come in for the Mudcats, and they tie the game at 7 on that 2-run double. But then in the bottom of the eighth, still 7-7. Charcer Burks, tailing liner. Erison Mendez can't make the diving play. 2 runs would score. Daniel Spingola fouled in by Brian Flete, and Burks goes all the way to third. A game-changing 2-run triple. Next batter, Andrew Ely. Nothing wrong with some insurance. Safety squeeze brings in Burks. Taste of the Mudcats' own medicine with some small ball, and the Pelicans go up 10-7. Ryan McNeil, a perfect top of the ninth inning for his league-leading 16th save tonight. Of course, the story, Ballagert, he had 3 hits. Again, the first multi-homer game of his career. DeWeese was 1 for 3 with a walk. 2 hits for Eric Castillo, including an RBI. Flete reached twice, a big RBI double in the sixth, and 2 hits for Charcer Burks. He was 2 for 5 with an RBI in the game. Myrtle Beach takes this series. They go 5-2 on the homestand, heading into a big series at Salem. First place on the line. The Birds ahead of the Red Sox by a half game going into play in their series opener tomorrow. All right, Hannah, let's take a look at the upcoming promotions.
Thank you, Scott. Well, Tuesday is Craft Beers Tuesday, presented by American Tap House. That's right, get $2 craft beers until 8 p.m. Gates are going to open at 6. Game starts at 7:05. We'll see you at the ballpark.